much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Too Much GH, so ebusia for a brand every edu say eye de ekoso ewo oman Ghana mu ye de beba na te se ye bia mu ni adoso fomu na te se de wo mu bia no wo a wo hwe wo so etibi enye bi afa e de ato koto bi mu nti wa abade a bomode ya na to nkra ko bibia se ye hia wa ha se ye di nkomo ewo aha na ni na ene se ebusia for enkomo bako ena na wachi abeda Ghana for anu a wo mu ebubo se eba ne sen efrihin da benda ene bedu se ene dey enkola enketua ene wo mu si gina ye bi se si ade de wiase afono mu ewiase nyoma kono biem wo mu nkwa na epro mu mu hu so mu faso enti na ye se wo mu be hwe mu akonfo eku wo mu ho na de se meka edi akosi abayiwa kama na de se wo suade ewo Miracle Preparatory School na de wo gina JHS3 14-year-old Letitia Finamantre ebusiafo ni wonu emu aye ya pa de ama na wo for sa so aga na wo bia so edi hu ya because yan ite se yan ti aseda ye hu sumpo ye dwun a enye nti ase ade a wo betimi adwun wo susu aka se okay ade o ya to asu entimi manisa posa na ebusiafo ye di hu komo enkomo no ena manfo asha se bi se adenti ene ye wo mpenifo wo man mu adenti ene tese ye wo ebi mu te se ye nua ye papa ye nra tese bie mu so no sa ye MP for Ascent Central Honorable Kennedy Japan wetu no wetu so man mu nsem de wo beti ni plane no aka ni plane fa won wo te bie bebi a wo te ni tese bebi a wo gina se wa sem na ba abeta abonten dia wo be ka no pepe ne tie na efi etwem 2020 besi afi we mu wa bo asofu achia wo ka we kun we yi tese entam de bebre buburu ja na so ni nia mu no ye nje da nchi we se we na ye chi ne se bone no no we di nti e di na tu edi se we aba na no akowie se anokwasem obi ani tua se aban we atimewu na nsem ne se ba ko to asomanfo hwe mu akonfo a adenti ene sa ensem no wo hwehwe mu empe mu nka inukura bi ewo mu de eba ne sa ekoso sa ema manfo hu te okay afi the expose no ye ti wan se because nsem bi se na hu expose beto abonti a amanfo ebe krado so wo metie mu se na be ya ahon mo bi na se meje bi o meteki na te se enkoto wo mo abrabubu no wo metimi ateki enti na ye se nsem bi sa no ebe bebre na ebi so etu a kire ye MP Honorable Kennedy Japan so we die wo mre mu bi no meka ensem no emu bi na ni nia mu no ye bedi nkomo no wa ha ya nti so abade a na ye se bo amene ma menua ba shodi akire mu hima akwa ba ne yemfa ensem no ekire mu entumanimu menua ba
Yes, dear.
bibi aboko
Ejana ndo mo de achire.
edewade ase efri Tuesday ebesi that way ya yetimi na me aye aduma da so tiase amanfo ka assemble ko na obi ankomo directed to the same issue suicide abani bebre but ema ne say Letitia dey na tesia dey di etitimaya obi ake because wanwa pa na anya say suicide ne kwa keke situation surrounding new wonum nsem abusiafo eka the school no eka then ni na ufo no so bi eka na after the ensem no wokeka bom kra enyina enka mum after the nyemba bi akeka bi aka blue bi aka bi e betale that dey na bom aye baako ni ti ade nti na empenifo ntuo mu nsim so okay ade we die ye ekọ no de de bonno so ya tiri bebre nti ka ye gina mu aye sa nyama ndo e wo de ye fa Letitia nkomo no ensha se eka ne udwen ni wo no ho se
Yo, mina that's it. Mefa wa konya wisi na madawase. Na madachu too much DH na ase. Na mada wo hwe manim ya back and beauty policy and me makeup man kema. na me nhyira no hwɛ Ghana wɔ ho Ghana se say dia ekɔ no mobo last I think say metena ha kan say me twɛ so say Ghana yama ye mpanifo na ntimi antu omonnan ensi fom a me so be hu nua na wo de second awɔ me say twɛ we come there where there is just the beginning just the beginning I'm telling you because as I bring I mean some American eno na ebem
enu die
some American eno na ebem ba ma me fa Letitia asemu we se me na me Letitia maame a school hall one so arrested boys say wo honyin na la
school mu boys nya wala Letitia ka say 14 years dey man 14 15 years
oma a teachers for minim say so a headmistress the whole so a headmaster so arrested teachers for wo Nieti America sana case we be two things either so obi na rape abai one obi na rape no and also o broken heart no and when put the osha na busuafo obi nka the third one be kan ba osha na no try say na busuafo obi ntinya bi obi be cheche no afa na ntade because say who was school na say osha tade enya nti eno eye out into wo behwem mo no na eye obi and school for ni bi teacher well either teachers and headmaster for ni bi na anyim akola no na onyim na okoka twa ni say bia papa ebia menyimu ade a wo ye me no ya rapu no na ya anyim no na ebia okoka ye o say wonyam na we ye ne den wo sha ne papa nso ebia abusua na ewo bi nti die na obeye wo be de fa na ado no na wa because wo hwe ma ye say e injection poison na e de ama no nti e yo bi na aku akola no
eti enye say what say when ti na say
anya bi abayiwa ni beku ne ho because that before mama you when the beti enkwaya do wo bia ni wo obeka say wo beku ne ho na mama change mu na wo say mama ne ekasa mu no wo se so no ku ne ho a enka obi a wo sha wo akonfa sebe eja na efi wo to ba we eja na bi ama wo nti dia na wo kwa chwe
na je say enyema dance wo mu a wo mu wu wo
different ayo bi na ku abayiwa no
na da bia na say enya sa na
enya da bia na say yes ah nti eso mo arresting school in fact eso mo close to school ne kra
eso mo close
exactly
because na ma corporate bita say na ade no wo bia ti be wu school mu enura pe na ade tia mu da so at classroom sia de ase de bia nsi ade bia nko so
yeah ade na ekoso sisi ase empedifo mo sorry am say yen show ma me nka so obi nim na eku no mo sorry am so obi nim eku bi obi nim eku obi backline yet ni case ba ye hu hwe ye hwe empedifo titrufo bi wo Ghana ha wo sorry a we a ye so we eku isu ye hu sisi ami nimo so obi na abdane no ho ka moto bi anoti Ghana ha na ye say asa o to sha nkrofo so ye ku obi a ye say wa hye ne ho akonfo ye ku obi a ye say wa hye ne ho akonfo die na kire say wa hye ne ho akonfo wo gina de abayiwa no die no gina so o de hye ne ho akonfo eya hardly say obi betimi ade ahoma ahye ne kon how
Yekotie ne yonko a woni no ewo school say e friend say chire ebuja from plan come say what time yekotie ne yonko a woni no school ono no narration ono na second person a wo kon hu eye abayiwa Letitia say wo sen awoma no so yetie ono no narration no ye ba ye di ono no nsem no enko ebuja for yenko hwemra tetia
okay
ana a class teacher by or try a day ana obi afa the plastic so ko dware ntime na me sim uniform e wo pipe side ana no kwa dware ho nto ko dware we obehye ne ho kra pie imi dware me sia ne kwan so na me se o tere na wo kwan o se tere me ba ana oba church wa oba church pie betina ne se ana so no bi se on fa scarf from no na ni pande scarf no ma no san by nti enyina ya ba na yekọ didi ana mo se edwane nya ready nti emma church wi a ye pon church ye ba wanka ho na me bisa se ade na later ma sorry ana me so we ha no mo so bae e bia wadi kan ti yekọ ye madam frame me se me chedwane no ya me chedwane na omo baba na na makọ chedwane no nti era ho girl ba kre friend Kezia na otiem menim se omagro ni mu na omotiatim ti ma fan serious no sign team na se waso na koma na okonechi na mo si Kezia pai no say impie machine ti me pia am say madam please come and see madam so by wa mo bi enra ho e friend say o hang ho your friend Letitia when training ba omo mu ra ho na oja letter wo ho
Okay.
so o nipa bia on pese obeka na semachi obia ana your class teacher by or try ya dey ana obia fa na plastic so ko dware ntime na me sim uniform e wo pipe side ana no kwa dware ho nto ko dware we obehye ne ho kra pie imi dware me sia ne kwan so na me se o tere na wo kwan o se tere me ba ana oba church wa oba church pie betina ne sei ana so no bi se on fa scarf from where na ni pande scarf no ma no san buy nti enyina ya buy ne yeko didi ana mo se adwane ne ready nti ya ma church wi a ya pon church ya ba wan ka ho na me bisa se ade na later ma sorry ana me so we ha no mo so buy e bia wadi kan ti ya ko madam frame me se me church ana no ya me church ana na omo baba na ma ko church ana no nti ra ho girl ba ko friend Kezia no tiem menim se omagro ni mu na omotiatin ti ma fa ni serious no sign team na se baso na koma na okonechi na mo Kezia kwai no se impie machine ti mi pia am say madam please come and see madam so by wa ma obi en wura ho e kwa se o hang ho your friend Letitia when training ba omo mu wura ho na oja letter wo ho
Okay.
so o nipa bia on pese obeka na semachi obia pese
Ghana for bebre na kasa bare yekunu but yenhwe na dam we ne nsem okeka ye say abare the whole day no aye mudi yenim suba ku bi wo enkolemu efi 13 eba e very teenage years eya a man to your tire emotional in those years because I feel na ye hormones no as nyama than we very emotional nyama high ha nearest why emotion no matter me feeling na fufu mu as wo bia mpinti bibi ta say eight me ko ba ne say sa issues ni bi e na ama no hu so no a wo hu so no be relate ana wo hu so be di ni nkomo na ko asem tro bia no de ti baby na o cheche mu nti eno e na ma no ye no say wakoya nkonam de ene nia me mpam hu so obi wi atukwa me no obi a wo te ska so de e be bata wo say bibi be ka ho de na say adwen no aye bibi kakra ka ho na say timude na be fam na emotion na say let me kill myself nyedu bi na abari yakoya ye hwe na different way say maybe yekunkum ye timi mba say onu ana edu nwu ewu ana
me da se da bi
etimi masa
etimi masa
ba wo ti ase say ye timi yes no
but enye se wu ni eja wo waja ewona fo wo tie ne kasa ni mu a wo se bibi ene ha no
bibi ha no
me yoba we yoba ye pa na be ha wa wutimi kan tro be enyi nse wakoya dada bi be na wakonyam enye yizo mini me so be kom na teachers wo ni bia na headmaster for no ma we o no ni mo school mu anu no me se teachers wo school mu e kan wo hu so wo ya hu ofe na wo so abayo yo gira won so wo so
le kan la da so say
it teachers for yi bi and answer headmaster for yi bi na we akola na nyem no na wo twa na nkwafo
that's idea how akolata ednu odimi nka dia na ebe
no because enya o menses na wanya enya possible so wanya o menses na wo pay mu what are you talking about
because the mama ni jina so say akran oni how bia
na wa sha akola ojina o den na che so ni bibi antre so ofipo background po na waka say bia men sata de pa we she bi na we no mo twetwe me no no into your big meti asem way Canada Japan so wo tie mi a mo na wo dia wo se wo di sans in fact asem ne me ya ma me dwe ho ana me ntia se ya me ho picture na kwa na bibi ya ye mo betra ho na asem way asa akọ free e dia na ekoso say ya so funu mo na akoya bibi a no dia mo baba bonte no abegyina ho it is asem way Canada Japan mesrawo me papa eni die mu a for wo nansi wo na munya enhwehwe mu yie pa na me se wo bekom na me se abayo bibi na esi two them
eno asem ye beka sisi a ye hwe according to na wo for no so ebra mo ko hu no hospital mo doctor ye no nfi wo mo hu nyama se bibi ayo okay ne ko nchi a bibi anye no wo mo kire wo mo se hu ekuro wo ne nsa ho se bibi etu wo ne nsa ho ne ekuro no mu ya pa no mo sha te speculative no say ye kunu kan se de no ebe handle because they close and but when you say we share your movie ta aba wo bi be kun wo bi kra timi efa blade say me twa me nsa na moja esi mu aba no nti na de no ye hwe de ye o ni em bia nsem no ye ka de za ekuro no na da nsa no bia ne betimi akofa abeto wo
ekuro e two thing either so be one injection obi e di bibi and because injection definitely no benya ho kakra e wo
injection no
yeah because a blade and can
injection hold me ye kakra kakra
and make us say a poison bi na so omo kune de da no omo bo apade na sen ho hey ma obi aniwa obetimi aku ne ho saa o bibi e ha no
no omo ye den sell man de night me gina form na
no na make us say obi na aku no me say penifo amotwa mo mfa mo nancy form na asem wo mu hwehwem because ade we ade a asset ekoso wo Ghana ha bebrebebe ni nyina nso ka ho ye ntwa enne ya movie nso aye hwe because asset ye penifo na tena ho na niema fire say e wo Ghana ha say
ye ma bibia kwan ma ni ba man
simple so simple ye fa niema so simple because ennei obere yesi we ekobi mampede opani bi beba out we ekobi we ayese insu ye hu nipa wakunu wo behebe na obi na shechire ana omukunkum sankrofo we nyina wo obi
ne so ba se obi an wa se
da obi nsu na shechire
onu adi wetu mo so obeye bibi se no
ne ma say no
na we kuni pa jane to so we kunu
oye de na jane to oye de na
so we kunu jane to ne ko obi na de
nti aso no atimi ye bibi chire se wono na waye de wakunu Mrs. Asem wo do pa omon fish deep eye two thing either so obi na ekunu ana wanyam obi na anyam no teachers wo ni bia na se wo mo ewo school mu obi e na anyam no e na e bia wakoka che ni se na wa omaye ni se
okay ye hwe ni nua ba ene ni mama ni nsem omo kan se school no na akla no wo school omo tan ni omo mpe na asem na se wo mo ni issue we ni na omo hwe e na akla no wo school wo se awofo mma tan wo ni se me ba at least because ran back mu yinu am ha o yimu di kakra o complaini teacher ba ku say ha me teacher we ye me say adentina nyema bi say no as awofo se ye ti a ye mpentem entu wana mo na ye twama ensem ginsem ansa na pe ne hu say okay ntina fi we ne besi we na ba si say because akla we say ye go by the na awofo kan na 3 months wo mo so ya na mo ka say ekunu na te say wo information bi a womu dina saka se eku na to mo nya ni ntie pure notice bi atata no mo complain ba ku nyenu bi say ni adi na wo for ye impentem empe solution to issues but ye chaima in some no eti nsem afa na yakọ hu bi
okay me that say Muslims say school nya enye easy sa
school nya
yes
we preparatory school JHS
yeah enti bibi say no because I fence a we school more for na say e bia awofo no bi 1 or 2 bi enkoyi a omo expect say nkom betimi ha solve this issue
omo say okay
e bia na minim asanko a say dia maame na e ka no but or try say bia we dey nya say bia forget it but omo nim say bedu sad because enei wo yi akola free school asanko school for easy
ampa
nti when mu nyina na e bia na nya school fees kra na e be depend because FNS a obecho note e dia ma na office school ben obekwa highway say ayema aha enye easy nti sane ma ni nyina bia na wo fo no hye sane ma we nya o ene say we dia omo hye da fa ni serious me nkom but ade we enye ngina so say bia kola ko school no akọ say bia say ni say few things bi and okoma mummisa ankola no wo school no wa pon ba fie wa ukọ ya na etisen teachers for send no money what here omo no what year and now wa sha school more synchronous environment and you're good for you to stay that place fine but I will phone e bi kan e bi no check sa na ma ni nyina obi o nso akola na ka je bi teacher ni we so pen oh forget it we da wa ka mate wa free teacher ni mesra cho ho free me ba no was a fin no woni ni na wa school mu no eti sane ma we nyina no awofo mo me ani nso ena ho ni enu enkonkola no ho because abayo we wo idie wo
ho ampa na ebusuafo yan hwe eye lete bi abeda bonten no according to reports no edie che no eno no ye the last statement I was throw on a diary, a Letitia Pinaman, a throw on a diary mu and sana, a summer a tone no, see, and never from Yanshe, a year letter no mukaka. Didn't say back in time, but maybe what they are not the same kind, Kakani, and some are now patch there, a letter no what. Dear diary, I know you are not going to be happy to hear this, but today I am very sad. I don't know why, but I feel I have been deserted from people I call my friends. I can't trust anybody with my secrets and problems. I feel everybody in this world dislikes me because I am not beautiful. I feel that life is playing dirty tricks on me. I don't know what I did wrong in life, but destiny is not favoring me, as you are aware. I have been sick ever since I came to the boarding house. I haven't been happy for a whole day ever since I came to boarding house. I keep on crying every day because the world is no more interesting to me. I am always being deceived by people. I regret ever coming to this cruel world, but I know that the Almighty God will show me the difference between my good friends and my fake friends. I am trying to discover my good friends, but each day and every one of them seems to be doing something that really hurts me or annoys me. I have realized some of my fake friends because they only remember our friendship when I get food or I open my trouble. I wish to be vigilant and so that I can realize my good and all my fake friends. Now I say about 14 years, Letitia and the diary. The last statement was through a diary no emu. Now usha. Now they say I yonko pass so no problem why yonko femu. And not say our secret, our problems and anka onyaya. And go back catch the amount for. Now so now it will who I pa if you are boni moon as it will be up and I said now baby on me can't mama crab and post or who wants to know and nothing. Mammy
question mark. Then I just know.
That's the problem. And
I didn't be to me no. I'm more arresting it now before you know.
The number of you almost arrest you.
Yes. What's your casana? If they say woman in be a person.
Hey, you can buy your boss on the police station. You go tie abayo ni nua ba so nsem wo de beto abonten ebra ni wo ni ba ye report beto abonten say ya odie e wo ho esumusu na tete wo kasa because wo gina ni nua na chi wo kire se ni nua no wo ntimi enku onu anu na ye go tie ye ba e be di wo so enkomo kakra.
Oh boy, having an kuno, Obina kuno, someone killed her, Obina kuno, no, did not say, no, be all to me, Kuno, and woman in nice form, and there is no chair there, say, I can't in the committees, you say, Obina kuno, school for kuno, so nobody should say, Sabiana kuno, who good, if you've killed her, you should stop disgracing her, and she was not. The school, but you forgot to mention your own name. The school she was attending was Miracle Preparatory School, and she was at the boarding house in the school. I also, you people you are tarnishing my sister's image. Stop! You've already killed her. With all the lies on the Yatias, you are not going to go scot-free. That will not happen. It will not happen. You people should stop saying rap.
Because Letitia Yakuno doctor confirm say one sha kwamfo. Sank wa sha kwamfo anko be kwa toilet. Mi jira doctor na wuro ne ho no. The teacher anko toilet onyo so ane ho ne ketere ma antwe. That means obi na akuno no de na begina ho no mo de ahoma ka ho.
Obi na kuno, obi ade ti abodi se mi nyana kuno hono, obo ha mi nyana kuno, obi na kuno someone killed. Hey, obi na kuno no ade na ko say ho, no obi oti mi kuno hono, ahuma na ni na isi form, and there is no chair there. Say akrani jina su ne committees you say, obi na kuno school for na kuno, so nobody should say seven nyana kuno who kuno. If you've killed her, you should stop disgracing her, and she was not. The school would but you forgot to mention your own name. The school she was attending was Miracle Preparatory School, and she was at the boarding house in the school. I was you people you are tarnishing my sister's image. Stop! You've already killed her. With all the lies on the Yatias, you are not going to go scot-free. That will not happen. It will not happen. You people should stop saying rubbish.
Because Letitia yakuno doctor confirm say one sha konfu. Sank wa sha konfu anko be kwa toilet. Mi jira doctor ne wuro ne ho no. Letitia anko toilet. Onyo so ane ho ne ketre ma antwe. That means obi na akuno no de na be gina ho no mo de ahoma ka ho.
Obi na kuno, obi ade ti abodi se mi nyana kuno hono, obo ha mi nyana kuno, obi na kuno someone killed. Hey, obi na kuno no ade na ko say ho, no obi oti mi kuno hono, ahuma na ni na isi form, and there is no chair there. Say akrani jina su ne committees you say, obi na kuno school for na kuno, so nobody should say seven nyana kuno who kuno. If you've killed her, you should stop disgracing her, and she was not. The school would but you forgot to mention your own name. The school she was attending was Miracle Preparatory School, and she was at the boarding house in the school. I was you people you are tarnishing my sister's image. Stop! You've already killed her. With all the lies on the Yatias, you are not going to go scot-free. That will not happen. It will not happen. You people should stop saying rubbish.
Because Letitia yakuno doctor confirm say one sha konfu. Sank wa sha konfu anko be kwa toilet. Mi jira doctor ne wuro ne ho no. Letitia anko toilet. Onyo so ane ho ne ketre ma antwe. That means obi na akuno no de na be gina ho no mo de ahoma ka ho.
Obi na kuno, obi ade ti abodi se mi nyana kuno hono, obo ha mi nyana kuno, obi na kuno someone killed. Hey, obi na kuno no ade na ko say ho, no obi oti mi kuno hono, ahuma na ni na isi form, and there is no chair there. Say akrani jina su ne committees you say, obi na kuno school for na kuno, so nobody should say seven nyana kuno who kuno. If you've killed her, you should stop disgracing her, and she was not. The school would but you forgot to mention your own name. The school she was attending was Miracle Preparatory School, and she was at the boarding house in the school. I was you people you are tarnishing my sister's image. Stop! You've already killed her. With all the lies on the Yatias, you are not going to go scot-free. That will not happen. It will not happen. You people should stop saying rubbish.
Because Letitia yakuno doctor confirm say one sha konfu. Sank wa sha konfu anko be kwa toilet. Mi jira doctor ne wuro ne ho no. Letitia anko toilet. Onyo so ane ho ne ketre ma antwe. That means obi na akuno no de na be gina ho no mo de ahoma ka ho.
Obi na kuno, obi ade ti abodi se mi nyana kuno hono, obo ha mi nyana kuno, obi na kuno someone killed. Hey, obi na kuno no odi na ko say ho. No be oti mi kune ho no. Ahuma na ni nice form and there is no chair there say akrani jina su ne committees you say. Obi na kuno school for na kuno. So nobody should say Sabinya na kuno ho kuno ho. If you've killed her, you should stop disgracing her. And she was not the school would but you forgot to mention your own name. The school she was attending was Miracle Preparatory School, and she was at the boarding house in the school. I also, you people you are tarnishing my sister's image. Stop! You've already killed her. With all the lies on the Yatias, you are not going to go scot-free. That will not happen. It will not happen. You people should stop saying rubbish.
Because Letitia yakuno doctor confirm say one sha kwamfo. Sank wa sha kwamfo anko be kwa toilet. Mi jira doctor ne wuro ne ho no. Letitia anko toilet. Onyo so ane ho. Ne ketre ma antwe. That means obi na akuno no de na begina ho no mo de ahoma ka ho.
Obi na kuno, obi ade ti abodi se mi nyana kuno hono, obo ha mi nyana kuno, obi na kuno someone killed. Hey, obi na kuno no ode na ko say ho, no obi oti mi kuno hono, ahuma na ni nice form and there is no chair there say akrani jina su ne committees you say. Obi na kuno school for na kuno, so nobody should say Sabinya na kuno ho kuno. If you've killed her, you should stop disgracing her. And she was not the school would but you forgot to mention your own name. The school she was attending was Miracle Preparatory School, and she was at the boarding house in the school. I also, you people you are tarnishing my sister's image. Stop! You've already killed her. With all the lies on the Yatias, you are not going to go scot-free. That will not happen. It will not happen. You people should stop saying rubbish.
Because Letitia yakuno doctor confirm say one sha kwamfo. Sank wa sha kwamfo anko be kwa toilet.
Ebusuafo Sabre and Wabeka Yahodia na say Letitia Pinaman Chre na woko school Miracle Preparatory School Bono region Sunyane Potem Wono and yeka na say ni suicide abetoja any ebiom so de empanifo ede afa ho na Sabre mame emfa yennuan mu a wo mo edu madwentrefa ensem no bi madwentre emetudwa na de wi ane ato ankomo no so Romanus Facebook or say the headmaster of the school is responsible for the death of innocent girl Letitia. They shouldn't blame anyone. They should blame the headmaster of the school. No Romanus or no swadre trefa and seven or so on there. So born ever in Yankosya Penia or that school no say headmaster. May for YouTube for so Edia or more Eddie Abba. And so Billa Peter was it they have to investigate it well. Star Block so Ghana. Hey. Kingscape J Bonnie or say the lady cannot just kill herself without anything happening. Not to say, will be any what dear to say abayana ne ekunu. Yeah. Then say will be a new to my no so will be nippon of any papa say one no kuni no friend if you couldn't no sudden no training for baby that fan no to that sound ma I can't obi who so any more you do nipa papa this said marry. Ana eyefuo bi ana nipa baako nyenu bi no makomo abom no mu di side man we read the way a situation no etia
yeah try bone e ba wo nse wu bia ahoden bi ese wu no ho se wu di bone u focus so ade we na mpese menya ahoden bi e be se wu enti either say oyo no nko ana omoye 2 ana 3 for now no ye ni ba unku akwakola no se da nya du bia mfa ho se obi wa ne mu yedu eye na ahe eye instant easy se de ote ne no a
eno anu na e ko jan dia sen ho ta na de bi o yan hwe issues a esisi ya nsa na abaywa no wo no ebum enka eye ade ye mra wo school mo se by 7:30 woman didi omo dining hall ko didi woman didi wia woman fi wa no ma say omo chia ba hall a omo ye Bible study so no omo be tie audios according to headmistress no and che be no so ntem ni bi according to headmistress no omo ko tie omo didi wia so omo ye Bible study no ba and that day no kwa tie eduane nyan delay eduane ne check akra ntem ma enkwala no ko Bible studies and said woman ko dining hall enti sa changes na by only one day changes no na the different thing go in process that day we there and na change abey there make me dey na so dey ebony na say dia because 8 women say nipa ba ko pe na ntu wa create changes that affect the whole school say okay enti na say that nipa ko no obeye ida so oye obi a
oye penny
odi mu wo school betimi aye sakrai wo school man na so authority so betimi a twencha nyama so na nyama favor na say yen kasa na yen nkofo bi kasa school kwala nya yen so mko no yen hwe wona mkaka ni ne pe yen pe wa asem nka
said America me say one month girl no ne na fufu
okay
month teachers for one man because some ko Bible study scribe that time no lady no way
10 years old na according to that for me born audio no first no ye born video no first no say wo munya na no mo dan wo mo Bible study
so after that no
and tell no pie ye
wo pie ya wo kwan
eno na
say na make so much wo ma simple crowd so simple some go nipa wo tai sa na ma we nyina echi
simple
so simple monche nkwala na ne namfofo no monche no teachers for wo ho no anu aduane me say wo mo ye sa na ma we a wo do wo mo make sure so mo twa ma so wo hu no kware be pie
wo mo pe
na Ghana na say ye mfa niema ade ba say ya ene ye so serious you know obia per say what ma 2 days 3 days na ye babash
it's a trip
yes so I'm finding out I'm a sad fish and never way I could deep palm so go near me ready way a way where say way udo so I'm just careful pa I use mupa year na say Ghana post for amosha me mobile crown mama money at the hop me see we simple crack yes so simple
am I done investigative journalist
exactly
am I done CID for because asem na asa de wo kaka bom kra ka asem no so
I didn't na so bia in some ocean in some I don't me generally because so called Bible studies owie no pie madam for me no na ho na sorry kran we pia me watch it and say me follow na me finding out then na ko
abo point
ni ameka what I say wonu atimi anya akokuduro say munyina na na mo classroom ho Bible study
then about
yes and we pie wo dey wo fane say me no say hey na ma crowd say oh e bia me jam nan aba ana me drum so aba just bibi sano na ma che almost bad 10 minutes then I say wo ye Johnson timidity 10 minutes and private class sorry to use do 10 minutes enya possible and memu nso say kuno mukunu no nya akutimi use 30 minutes abro me make an what I say
okay
abro into omunya hwehwemu yie wo mo nche bai wa no ese so follow akwa bonten no me say ni tikika enema ehwehwe sumasi o
nyama koso nyama
omo ye hwehwemu ni ya wo mo be wo mo nche bai wa wo mo nche tap that time omo wo ye nhia dem mu a sorry dem ho say ni omo ye wo me say wo mo be hu a
o say emra so de ye sise mra ba de ye ya ko school pen
okay
etimi ka say strictly ye assembly obi amra assembly na
I compose we how dare you so be kwa bonten
o say ye nyum bi so ye ko school ye fa ye wa drink
oh yeah but wo ye den time no me say message su bia omo chi na dan for no wotimi anya kukuduro say wo pia bonten for how long and obai who be san ni ameka what I say se me no nam na ma pia bonten na ma kra fa me ko ba bia ba na ma cha ese wutimi na wo kwhwe se asimati se okwe na we de wa cha na ti wunjiro bi mpo oh madam free so to ade aba no yes say but maintain nka na se wo wu a
Ni interview mu krampo, obi odamfo wu abrafo kakrampo kra. Ebusia for.
Eni ama hihye sumaziminia. Eni ama nsem hihye nakam.
Ensem just Ghana for. Asem we die. Say ebehu emu no kra pa de. Ebusia for enya hu dwiri na beba nipa so a na de beba ekire no esa. Because utie mu hye ne yesu hye video se free school or atmosphere or headmistress kra pro kasakra enka student ba
na bibi abaya no kwa hu any sadness bia I said she looks so wrong even
after bibi ebusuafo na yehwe headmistress na sem od betu de enche ba ko hwe video no na o ka se wo kitchen e wo school mo no wo ne kitchen and dining delay. One supervisor said, "Didn't na dining delay. Kolana be the free. Bible study so by some message and I ready. And no metal sacron, I hang there's a school morning, maybe so. Say boarding school structure, no boarding school structure. Inka, I didn't say to be dear organized so when they in charge of when they in charge of when they now we didn't collaborate jam with someone and Kolana. And Kolana natural moves was small, and Kolana way said Janny me. Aklana na oche diane aklana na koto se wo mu nua no hangi ho en wo mu eyi headmistress at wo mu de esu yi wo mu asutran se wo mu be hu pote bibi ekoso e wo school no bo na se wo manga school no wo mu manage as boarding school no wo mu manage ni thing
discipline bi ani school mo se me ba wo school mo ai nei me fa sa akwanya wo esu meyi na free school mo
ade enti na
anya ho kwa ni school na wo school a headmaster wo ye dem o kitchen
headmistress or to wash a kitchen.
We are then.
The ono so de no
ye biane no.
That be ono ye ne biane na I don't know but no so wa kitchen. E dey minim so no supervise de ne no so ono ane kitchen o ye no ono ane biane but ensem no
asa nkola bi e bonkuru. Nsem o hwe asa akola a o bonkuru. E dey na ekoso. Na say school na ngasa no omu ni they don't have vision. Let me use it like because I said, and Miss Swadi will be a new dream because BB and this school one. I'm about to say, a Diana Money and you're ready. I give us some.
Woman's one, Colana, and see a few hot by some ready. I am ready. What's ye girl? No, Madame
Messy, and I dear way. I'm on to headmaster. I'm on to say, Messy, I'm making sure, say, I just make me want some baby. I'm in front of because I am a she. Me, I found me a son with me. Come from headmaster na diakola no na wanyem no na se one pedro bi amane na ekwa no worry and I either say teachers for ibi because sanko for no munyam paibo teachers headmaster omokoten no muntimi ntum adwoma hu sa akola bi hu efe ana wa sha atade kakra ne hu guo na ne na yi ebo ne kaprem wonko tonre because the teachers for you na ne headmasters for I say a bomb deliver because omu nyam pai
na ye hwe bebi abaywa na etianse na ko headmistress na nsem so abaywa no ahofo ne kata omu kire a wo mu fie no eben school no kakra but wo mu hihye wo school no say udu form 3 a compulsory by force
so
better boarding ade so akure fie ben boarding bibia na otumi board ye boarding school kwapa dia na ehu hia say aka say okay school we bet my boarding school we bet we come as boarding nyama ben academy na ehia say ye bet dia tum say school we okay mo boarding ya dia tum bet we akoda say boarding
well I say Ghana ye mpeni for mo na isi for me
okay
because they say na say obi a sorry I was what school obi anya few just a equipment here was what school because yen show so security cry tight e wo school mu ha abayo nkwanhwere ne nkwasa anya discipline wo school mu ho security ye tight we fa we hu light wa ha cha uko school bia aya na mobo say what we say omo ni they don't have nothing show say enka fa wo ba we eco school we
na se ko ja obakra ma we wo school
enti awo for mommy and school aye de ye ma ebeko mo shepa because enti watch my hair need school wo woman school authorities ebi ni hɔ ɔmo hyɛ school so ɔmo hyɛ because I think that me pa baby me ko say OJSS na yɛ wɔ mpanimfoɔ a yɛyiyi obi a class yes wɔn hyɛ hɔ ɔmo hyɛ environment ɔmo nyina ɔmo wɔ te say nne yi aso obi a yɛ ne nneɛma brakatu obi a na ɔfa ne friend wɔkɔ obi school wate school
ɛsa yɛ the boarding
yes because saa nneɛma wɔ nyina wɔ hɔ a menyɛ sure sɛ abayi ɔbɛhyere ne nkwasa
ebusuafo enzem wei emu ɛdɔ sin sɛ ne yehu wɔ nisuo no na yɛhwɛ abotire kampo boarding school de bia da yɛ de fa yɛ de ane de to abotire de because wɔn no yehu ni sɛ yɛfrɛ ne sɛ kwabo the system is working wɔn na nyɛma yɛ adwuma wɔn ti na yɛ sɛ yɛfa yɛ de a yɛ da toto wɔn de yɛnhyɛ de bia yɛfrɛ no boarding school
wɔn sɛ cameras wɔ Ghana hɛn ɛna cameras ɛwɔ school na nka menya ɛsɛ yɛsi yɛkɔ yɛ nim a nka de wɔ nka ɛsɛ school deɛ cameras baabi ɛsɛ fata na ɛsɛ camera ɛbobɔ
private school
exactly because private crowd wɛ ɛnyɛ government sɛ government crowd na ɛgɛ ɛbɛbɔ government crowd ɛgya yɛ de ɛyɛ hurubɔbu but wei ɛyɛ private school camera bia CCTV camera bia ni hɔ
ɛmɔ bebia
obiara yɛ de ɔpɛ ɛyi awofo mo twe school amode mo mako sɛ mo pɛ mo mako na wo pɛ sɛ wo ma emenyi mɛyɛ Ghana ana the whole world wo ti so aba pan de ahwe school a wo de wo ba
ɛno kra bɛka wo kra school fees no kɔ soro yɛn kɔhwɛ yɛ head mistress no a wɔda school no ano no ɔno nso side of the story yɛ ohun yɛ sɛ na nsɛm no sipa kɔ ɔno nso di a wɔde ɛtu dwa ne yɛn hwɛ sɛ ne nsɛm no compared to obusuafo deɛ no wɔn ka ɛne ɛyɛ akwadaa no a ɔno yɛ akwadaa n'adamfo bɛɛ second witness ɔno nso nsɛm no sɛ ɛbɔ ebura anaasɛ ɛfa ɛnam the same line no so na yɛ te sɛ nsɛm no yɛ de ato aso wɔ
no yɛwɔ mmara na mmara no bi ne sɛ adwoada biara ɛsɛ sɛ after school around 6:30 ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo nkɔ church auditorium na ɔmo nkɔyɛ Bible studies na deɛ ɛyɛ a ɛtɛsi ne sɛ ɔmo di ɔmo sapawie ansa na ɔmo akɔ asɔre dɛm hɔ akɔyɛ Bible studies no na ɛnu ɛde sɛ ɔmo aduane no delay kakra nti ɛmame ka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ mesrɛ ɔmo a ɔmo nkɔyɛ Bible studies no na ɔmo pɔn ba a ɔmo na ɔmo aduane no ayɛ ready na ɔmo aba abɛdi nti ɔmo nyinaa kɔ asɔre dɛm hɔ no ɛna me deɛ me ba a ɛgyare hɔ no sɛ mebɛhwɛ deɛ wi a aduane no ano si ɛrekɔ because akora deɛ ɔdi ka hyɛ ne bɔ sɛ ɔpɔn ba a na aduane bɛyɛ ready nti ɔmo na sɛ ɛnyɛ ready a na akɔyɛ biribi ɛwɔ hɔ no na me wɔ ɛgyare hɔ no hwɛ deɛ wi a nneɛma esi kwaa nti ankyɛ no sɛ ɔmo apɔn on Bible studies no ɛna ɛnam deɛ yɛka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo pɔn a ɔmo ɛna ɔmo ba bɛdidi nti ɔmo pɔn yɛ no boys no koraa nkɔ ɔmo ɛdɔm akyi na ɔmo nyinaa ba a daane no hɔ nti mu sɛ ɔmo ba na me sɛ ɔmo apɔn ɛna ma menya na mefa aduane no nkɔ na me yɛnkyɛm a ɔmo nti bi gu so a meyɛ na me sɛ ɔmo etietiam Madam Letitia mo sɛ ɛdɛn na ayɛ Letitia mo ntimi ankyerɛ me sɛ bi ase ana sɛ mo de ntetiam na ana ɔmo ntetiam sɛ na me dem nika kɔ daane no hɔ no nkɔhwɛ deɛ asi kyɛ sɛ me kɔ na kyɛ sɛ ɔde ahoma asɛ ne kɔn a wawu a ne sa kyina busa me adeɛ esi yɛ no like esi yɛ no na nkora no bi sɛ mo sɛ ɛnyɛ mo no na ɛkɔ Bible sɛ no sɛ anti na ɛkɔ ɛbɛ yɛ hwɛ ade ne hu sɛ wasɔre apie deɛ ɔmo ka kyerɛ me bɛ sɛ no kuta ahoma ne saa ne ma ne deɛ meni ho idea bia
okay na mo yɛ Bible studies na ya na mo me fa ne sɛ sɔfo ana teacher ne bi ogina o manim church o na so they do it on their own
like it's like audio ɔmo tie
okay
nti ɔmo tewa na ɔmo tie nyɛ sɛ bia wo ne gina o manim bɛyɛ one of the pastors Bible studies audio so ɔmo kɔta na ɔmo tie na ɔmo discuss ne ho nneɛma nti na obi engina o manim a ɔkyerɛkyerɛ ɔmo
so it means mostly they are on their own ɔmo nko na ɔmo tie na ɔmo hɛ Bible nyɛ sɛ
me pa kyerɛ ɛnyɛ ɔmo nko a teacher so ɛte obi ɛna school run so koraa ɛte obi da bia school make sure sɛ ɔbɛtena obi nti ɔmo wie Bible studies na ɔno na edu ma nim mo bo mpa ye ne eniema nti no akrampo no me koye na no de ahoma na se ne concert no me dem yika ba me be hunu school ra ne wo asori dem wo no ena me ka je ne asema asini
na what find out the scene
eno no ho no ono ne nere and some teachers the boys house master ono ka no ho no was acting normal baby no on say baby ha no be esiye no so the friends like I say like omu busa na sema na on feel omo mitisha like ukasa no ho a on feel ha na is now isolating ho esiye na the friends na or your border
na mami mi sabe school ni kita mo die ne nkora no kita mo die no etisen se ye hu se asoma si wo problem bi se nye school mo kora na ifirifie ba e bia o problem bi se muni kora no kita mo die tisen
se ba se efutuo ni sa na ma na e school ni fa ni agro ena de eteni se bia ye hu bibi se akora we bibi se nkoya ye fie nsafre awofo no e mo ba ni no matena ni aka oba no se ni se na otie patron
na awofo no so bae no ma bi so mo se akora no owo problem bi wo fie
like omo no e bae no de ya oya oni sitie nti no aha omo mba se ye betena se akasa omo ba se omo ni aha omo be agi nti eno de ba to nya enye nti afena
Something.
No. It was like she was crying. When you asked Letitia why nothing, Letitia why nothing. But
Who is Letitia in terms of her character?
Letitia is a person who doesn't want to share her emotional feelings with anybody. She wants to keep things to herself. She wants to find her own solution to her problems.
How old have you known Letitia?
Letitia was a day student. I was a boarder. So she used to bring me food when I'm in school. And recently she came to the boarding house. So when she came, I took her as my friend. We did everything together. When she's going to learn in the midnight, she calls me, Cindy, let's go. I also follow her. We come to the class to learn.
So yesterday, the whole of yesterday, since morning, what did you notice about her?
Yesterday she was in class. They rang the bell for breakfast. She didn't come out, so I decided not to talk. First break, I asked her, let's go and eat. She said she won't eat, so I personally came out to buy food for her. She didn't eat, and later on I saw her eating and I said that's fine. But I didn't talk to her. She was there sitting, putting her head on the table. Teachers were asking, Teacher, why? She said nothing. The teacher called her 3 times. She didn't go. So closing, she just went to the dormitory. We used to have part-time teachers. Yesterday, we came to teach us maths. After that, she went to the dormitory and came out to take her bath. After the bath, I saw her. I said, we have something I said, Terry. She responded, Terry, let's go to church. She said she's coming, so I'll come and meet her. So we came, we were all here. All of a sudden, I didn't know what happened. I didn't even see her coming out. I used to share food for them. After church service, they said I should serve the children. So one girl just shouted, and I said, please, why? She said I should come out and see. And I also called her house mistress. The boys were even there. They said she was just hanging there.
What's her name?
Tremesing.
Head should be arrested. Jima obedient. Someone say, very sad. We swan and one of their twasco. And Ellis, Isaac, Deborah say they don't even eat on time. Kojo Philip na say I demand them because so at the Abeka on BM no so esu at the atwaso na there's a vision for and some no and yakasa be what they are no one na say and one know the atwaso because I tell where they are we will ye then I'll be after home e dey bet me after a year situation no na yes head mistress Hey, would you get a baby job? Did you baby job, headmistress? Shakole, mammy, Muna Musi boarding school, just as a composite, to a more boarding house. Shawamu, no multimedia school, Murray. Now it was will be a month to another. Headmistress watch a kitchen. Proprietor, any proprietors say, oh, more a year Bible study for proprietor, and the proprietors near to work. Woman who tell me, students are fully ho. Students no so ewa homa any will be a hey. I found your company about the other well.
I found out from that. As in Groby.
There's an emotion to be on there. As some,
but I be ocean. But I be upon the more they can like I said, sadness be any nimu. As I'm close to school.
Are we being hard on the school? And I say, they say, after we are
not.
No.
That's why we are not. We are not being hard. We have to close the school. The best way, no. Now, I can't be a moment for God. To be frankly, Ghana, how ye catchy, but ye need. Even Papa Mwampa say Bible studies no more. It's a simple pet security crowd gates.
Bible studies.
Yes.
Boniphobia crowd.
It's a me a program at any time. It's a year and I buy one the PA and when you want one can deal with Emma. Oh, yeah, home away. Obi a student or farm money way, and no PA no coffee no hot buy, and no piabo. How? On your way. Dear no, your digital sword the sand a coin.
A question, maybe some coming
because on Akono, I'm one planning ye, your poor by when one planning. And you've been a friend. You've been a friend by one. So Wamra, and on also call it. No need to say it happen. Because I mind to a Bible studies one in a match in the Kotoku. And now they are sending how?
They tell me, about a corner, and say, you share description of the mind. Fast school, Usha, a free, how my Bible studies one or call dining room, some few distance. 80 crampono, if doesn't say all preno,
obiante. Because so now they are managed to come on. Anya, a top about pray, about him. Want me your deeds. Missy, what be now kuno? I didn't know, Mammy Chow. A lot of school I cost a man be at be Jessica. No more trim man at the student for at the teachers for me, everyone.
My students are now teachers.
Teachers for any
man.
I bet me teachers for any big students for so can and no more yes, I am a cacron baby and a cacron baby. Into a more to meet you check. Oh, and a man between a one ye be.
Meaning between a
me a mamma bra. Between a Sanya when I can not more to change in my one mouth. Into Becom. I know one of them to me free by
yes, I will check up on a cassette. Crime scene, baby, so Bonibius, you a wood year, Yakoswa. I brought me the one more one of the child near why a crime scene will be
nobody should.
If you are not thankful, I'm not sure they don't make dining. And I said, investigation, we can quite back doing investigation because Ghana, that's why dining so much school.
Ghana, no, Ghana. I know you're America.
DH.
You're hot.
Mamifa in Sobila Peter or the assembly Betuja or say, so what are they doing about it? On are they going to bit yes, they have to close the school and arrest most of them, and we will know the truth. Okay. It's also anyway are doing sex school when say you're closing down. So the bear and with me at debut. Sophia, the about say there should be thorough investigation. Abraham also say, oh, Tricia Oforido do was say so strange an incident and so strange an incident. God, we need your intervention. Theodore Efum so watching from New York. Let us say, Damuni has a more Boama program, no, but you know, I come my air course, sir. Uncle so from comments, Embra. Now, yes, okay. It's police problem, woman, no, child, more pathologist, she more yet, the apples multimedia, shed the poon of Papa, and none and Namsuma, Papa Nuku, yeah, mark the one the banning sound, I just say everything else could have happened. But yes, investigation, everybody with me, I launched a case with a murder case. And I say, suicide 90, a party, and one suicide is close to be at me, baby. What shall they were more fine investigations now? What to say suicide and I say a murder? Because they're gonna put the head do. Say a murder, but soon as school no a colaco school, colaco class, one more body that's our body. I open now as a see and only be more show a crack or more trouble baby or one meaning to be medium back or ya, but soon I him say. But see now, I can say a tear, I can say in Colano was still school airport to Eden so many denied I know and still open for eating. Then you know, just say, now, yen a quiet fast to the investigation, and now it make me up a paper for to the I investigation who no pray what and some no.
The best way I would be home no quarry the truth and it's almost close to school and no money is usually. And just I found no more, there's a more interesting, no more anything. More anything. Ebia, be better from her. Sabre yakra. Because some more, yes, almost come more. See, in fact, Ghana.
I think okay, we so that we the country we know.
It's all about, you know, because me in fact they were in check government. Me the best I say BB happen a possible and it go to me. And you can say
soldier for now.
No soldiers. We have no bamboo fonts come, but there were particular people almost come back. We find so one more we have major and police for and they have to close it. A castle for now, the CID, yes. Yeah, close to school no near ye in actually say, Ebia, 1 month you're close to school. Winning will be uncle fee, there's a more honesty. More than a mountain. Yanchi obia. Yanya obia. How?
Two more share over here, postmortem na province and party will be no kuna and that's one.
This is a dinner by a sit at the end. I want a panny when as you want a follow process, a follow due process. If you are not making case, no cry out of it. So, okay. Ye ka say obi na kuna na de nyina so nya de ka say obi na kunu na ye ka Ghana for our mass ticket na bi ti e ka say ye kunu but once the police need there and investigator there say won hwe okay owo no ti say won hwe mu pipe ni mu na mu bie mu then na your call so ni mu say bibi aka na wana bibi ti say ye kuna na say ho no ma application ho no e don't pick for no ma establish okay we a murder case and a suicide the suicide I need close the bucket. Sorry, this is nonsense. Very applaud nonsense because she has some American. We went in fact to I did where happen in America now maybe outside Ghana here. You better close this school and say 1 month and now 2 weeks. So 1 week in a more year simple. I ain't sure more. Who be who no quarry. They say she man a more. Nipa body in Kwana Modi environment where baby are not aware. Baby, incident in the sea, and
be a room or them or body house, right?
Ghana.
And some of they do the reality because you seminal and said a bit near call, and it's an AC for any day near said, Yang Emfa and in seminary school for near Patuga. Now, young fan seminal in what happens.
You just say, I will for they be a mechanic. I saw Barton share over fire phone. A more fear, a moon test here, a moon at time, the enough for lab back. Oh, someone crying in your easel. Now, what bass I see someone want to turn on just seconds. Sorry to use this because just be just obey just like that. Hey, I will So we ban it na say teachers for omo what to say. Students omo what to say. Maybe baby raining baby or there be any omo chame omo ni ma dem. Ade me ba ma ameka say queen na me school more. I have to do it.
Nah.
It's teachers want to say now so the crowd I now. Because me and Shani I can't hear say a ye ya move ya yes sending no so me stop it and money because as a suicide and where you say I so pick it and my way and to me shut up move ya be my because I said Ghana see I really ya me see obi be hu ni afili gado ti na te kan ya wo yeah Yama ya na papa wa Ghana ha. Me say in the next sabo na ahwa me
say come to okran ko chere de yem pese be sisanti ye bom pese na be twa mama
Mommy and cry a gidium near Mompaye. Ghana ye yampai papa because they are coming. Woo were banner or sorry, I did too much. Then Yamia Safa, 1 year mojan. Not one pay a mao banner near Cofono. Ghana, my so Ghana, ye orphan, our Ghana.
Ye janka, it was your fault. And somebody be a abedru and no a police for a Nane district command, woman cry some more mushimu. And Tiabaja, at your mom say, and chair, to make my temtem and or show so now one day and seminal. Emunchim wabe to them because they can't afford adding irons and be seven bill. Try comments and make a munia. And the Miss and one will be besides will be a person who and we ye Alpha Emma acquire a year Letitia. Penaman tre what the away. Now ye can assassin and penny for mu ekebia a year more Diana and some ways one because Ghana had it. The only way ya. Okay, si ba sana mimi ya bandika 1 week 2 weeks 1 month central for ne be hype na ma ya hype go take akra ne yanka se ebra ne nya store for ne ejemu a na asa ya to adi enko wie hwe ni nti na de tempenifo ene de adesede e beto omonim so won so nkenye wo ho de say the lives of Honorable Kennedy Japan wono wotimi ekasapa ntensem wo wotimi ebono enim so amata sensem no entempa so ne penifo de wo ehye bintin na wono so ehwehwe mu bi ema ye na ensem no ye hu ne pomatu be de e ba ne Ghana nkwala under age ka sense si ade nkwanfo mo a wo mu ekunkunkunku mo no no so empe mu ensem na emu nchire mu no famatu dia na se ye hu ye going forward na ne nia mu nso de butafo menua ne kan empire de hu nia pa eno no ye hu mafa but physically ye put structures in place awofo we awofo a hwewedwuma ne ye niye we teacher ni a hwewedwuma ne niye wo so ye student we akola wo so hwe natural school ne ye wadesua enwadwuma na wo wi a de ka ho bia wasa ya ka ho na ampabon na hunya pa e beka ho ba ne nia mu no ye nhwe na problem no ye nso ano e structures a ye face si wo na tese bibia entimi enkoye na ensem bi se no eto entwa ebo ye my Ghana mu ye nia ye do Ghana nkoso ene ye nde nti ebusafo ekon no ye da bewe ya ene sa medin aseda ene mo bibia sabre waka ye ho ema program no eye kama wa wo che wo ka ho pipa na mi enshraw se wo bre ene fa program yi emu ede aba na biye ye za so ena me da eye mi engineer Nana Asante asese wono so di video si hwemu eda ne da na efide ni ema no eye kama se na wo hu ewo eye wo phone no so na ebiom so no editor eye Mr Frank Dobe wo so nyame enshraw se ye video si nya wo ma ye kwan ma ye timi enya ye di share video ma ye eye kama na me director BB director so time chi din on one wa che me kran ya tese me de etia se to no so asaka se enko ema no ɛna mesa ɛda me cameraman Jamaica Giamson 1 ono so aboedwuma medom nia ase ebusuafo enene de di kan a wo hwe eye tuma GH bomode ne subscribe to your video yi na biom so koye social media platforms Instagram Twitter so @tuma GH na hwe yen wo honom so follow yen honom na ye onyumade ebe edemamu mo na en follow yen wo and Facebook so eye too much GH nana ma owusua enemi din mini atremu hima shedi ene na ye di enkomo ede efa Letitia ewo no enwo ensem no nyame ya doma ye besan edi ehia bi makramunya
much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.